Hey viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about VDRs in the age of drone technology and aerial photography. Let's go through the introduction. The rise of drones in aerial photography. Begin with a brief history and evolution of drone technology and its impact on aerial photography. Discuss the significance of drones in various industries, from real estate to agriculture and their reliance on high-quality aerial data. Introduce how virtual data rooms become pivotal in managing the vast amount of data generated by drone in technology. Video securing the skies. Virtual data rooms guarding aerial insights. Defines VDRL and their core functionality in safeguarding sensitive data. Explains the importance of reverse security measures for the higher volumes of the data generated by drone technology. Detail how VDRs protected against unauthorized access and data breaches, ensuring that the aerial footage and related data remain exclusive and confidential. Managing aerial data. Streamlining data flow from drone to decision. Delve into how VDRs can efficiently manage the large datasets produced by drones, include raw footage, processed image, and analytical data. Highlight the value of VDRs in organizing, storing, and sharing data among stakeholders in a controlled environment. Address the ease of accessing data from analysis and decision-making facilities by the structured storage solutions provided by VDR. Collaborating height with VDRs. Collaborating flight plans. VDRs in team operations. Discuss the collaboration features of VDR that enhance teamwork in drone operations, such as project management tools and communications platform. Describe the role of VDRs in controlling complex projects that involves aerial photography, allowing the synchronous work among pilots, photographers, analysts, and clients. Explain how VDRs can streamline feedback and approval processes, making project oversight more efficient. VDRs and legal compliance. Navigating legal aerospace compliance and VDRs. Outline the legal consideration of drone operations, including privacy laws and airships regulations. Explain how VDRs assist in maintaining compliance with the other regulations by securing sensitive data and providing audit trails. Emphasize the role of VDRs documenting operations, ensuring transparency, and facilitates regulatory reporting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.